Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Game Pass Ultimate, an active Xbox account, and a network that can handle streaming. Connect your Switch to the dock or a PC that will host the client. This step matters because latency directly affects input feel. Once done, update system firmware and sign into the same Microsoft account on any companion app you'll use. Make sure cloud gaming is enabled in your Game Pass settings so the service will allow streaming to the device. Next, you connect the pieces. Open the Xbox Cloud Gaming Client on the Switch browser or a supported third-party app and sign in with your Xbox account. Pair your controller, Bluetooth or USB, so controls register correctly. This prevents mismatches in button mapping during play. Then configure streaming settings. Choose lower resolution or frame rate to reduce lag if your connection fluctuates, or higher bitrate when you have a stable 5 GHz network. These choices directly affect responsiveness. Finally, launch a cloud game from your Game Pass library and allow a short buffering period while the session establishes. This improves once the stream stabilizes. Optimize by using wired Ethernet for the host PC or enabling Co-S on your router to prioritize gaming packets, which lowers jitter and packet loss. If you hit issues, restart the app, confirm your Xbox sign-in, lower streaming quality, or switch to a less congested network. These steps resolve most stutter, login, and latency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.